Build a retirement paycheck. Let me paint a picture. You're a business owner who worked tirelessly to build your company, and now you're thinking about retirement. You want a steady paycheck to cover your bills, travel, or maybe treat your family without the stress of running out of money. But here's the tough truth. Without a traditional pension, creating that reliable income feels like a puzzle. A 2024 survey shows 70% of Canadians without pensions worry they'll outlive their savings, and business owners face even bigger risk due to their complex finances. I recently worked with a client who retired with $1.2 million, expecting it to last. But poor planning led to a $30,000 tax hit in year one, shrinking their income fast. The good news? You can build a retirement paycheck that's consistent, tax efficient, and long-lasting without a pension. In this video, I'm breaking down 6 major challenges to creating your own retirement paycheck and sharing practical strategies to overcome them. With real example, stats, and actionable steps, you'll learn how to replace a pension and retire with confidence. Whether you're decades away or nearing retirement, these insights will transform your financial future. Stick with me because this could be your blueprint to a secure retirement. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Daniel Leung, Portfolio Manager, Senior Wealth Advisor with Senior Private Wealth, IA Private Wealth. I specialize in helping business owners across Canada craft financial strategies that replace income, cut taxes, and secure a comfortable retirement. If you're looking to build a retirement paycheck without a pension, this channel is for you. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Building a retirement paycheck means creating a steady stream of income to replace your business earnings or salary. Without a pension, you're on your own to generate that cash flow, and business owners face unique hurdles like tax complexity, market risk. But with the right plan, you can mimic a pension's reliability using your savings, investments, and business assets. So let's tackle the 6 key obstacles to building your retirement paycheck and explore how to overcome them. Problem number 1, no steady income source to replace a pension. Unlike a pension, which deliver guaranteed monthly payments, most business owners rely on business profits or savings, which can be unpredictable. Without a structured plan, your income might fluctuate, leaving you stressed about covering expenses. A client who owned a landscaping business retired with $800,000 in savings, but had no system to generate steady income. They would draw cash sporadically, triggering taxes and depleting their funds faster than planned. Here's how to tackle it. Create a diversified income stream using investments, business dividends, and government benefits. Invest in dividend-paying stocks or ETFs for short-term income targeting 3 to 4% to cover monthly bills. Use annuities or bond ladders for guaranteed cash flow, mimicking a pension's reliability. Tap CPP and old age security benefits strategically, delaying them to age 70 for up to 36% higher payments. Clients who blend $2,000 monthly dividend with CPP create a $4,000 paycheck covering their core expenses. Work with a financial planner to design a mix of income sources tailored to your needs. Problem number 2, withdrawing money without a tax plan. Random withdrawals from your savings or business can spike your taxable income, costing you thousands. In Canada, personal tax rate can reach 50% in high tax brackets, and business owners often face dividend tax 25 to 30%. A client who sold their bakery withdrew $100,000 from a holding company in 1 year, paying $45,000 in taxes. A smarter approach could have saved them $15,000 annually. So what can you do? Plan withdrawals to minimize taxes, focusing on tax-efficient accounts. First, start with TFSA as withdrawals are tax-free and don't affect old age security clawback. Draw from your RRSP or RRIF over several years to stay in low tax brackets, ideally below $90,000 annually. Delay non-register or business income until later when your income may drop. A client who sequenced withdrawals saves $20,000 in tax yearly, preserving their paycheck. Meet a tax advisor to model withdrawal scenarios based on your business and personal assets. Problem number 3, not leveraging business asset for income. Many business owners overlook their business as a source of retirement income, assuming they must sell to access funds. Keeping your business can generate dividends or passive income, but poor planning leads to high taxes or instability. A client with a tech firm didn't structure the business for income, paying $60,000 in taxes on unnecessary withdrawals. Wealthy Canadians use their business to fund retirement efficiently. So let's fix this. Restructure your business to pay tax-efficient dividends or management fee for steady income. income. Set up a holding company, retain profit at corporate tax rate 12 to 20%, deferring personal taxes. Invest holding companies' funds in dividends or real estate for passive income, withdrawing only what you need. Use the lifetime capital gains exemption to shelter up to $1.25 million in gains if you sell your shares, keeping more for income. A client who did this generated $5,000 monthly from dividends taxed at just 15%. Consult a tax accountant to optimize your business for retirement income. Problem number 4, market volatility, disrupting your paycheck. Market downturns can slash your investment income, forcing you to sell assets at a loss to cover expenses. Business owners with concentrated portfolio, like stocks tied to their industry, are especially vulnerable. In 2022, a client's $500,000 portfolio dropped 20%, and selling to fund their paycheck locked in a $10,000 taxable gains, disrupt their retirement income for years. Here's how to make it work. Diversify your portfolio across stocks, bonds, ETFs, and real estate to reduce volatility. Hold 1 to 2 years of expense in cash or GIC to avoid selling during market dips. Use dividend stocks or bonds ladders for consistent income, targeting 3 to 5% yield. Practice tax loss harvesting to offset gains, lowering your tax bill during volatile years. A client who diversified maintained a $4,000 monthly paycheck through a 2023 market drop. Partnered with an investment advisor to build a resilient portfolio for steady income. Problem number 5, inflation eating away at your income. Inflation, averaging 2 to 3% annually, can erode your paychecks, purchasing power over time. Without growth in your investment, your $5,000 monthly income today might only cover $3,000 in expense in 20 years. A client who retired with fixed income investment saw their lifestyle shrink as costs rose, forcing budgets cut. Wealthy Canadians plan for inflation to protect their paycheck. What can you do? Invest in growth assets like equities or real estate to outpace inflation, targeting 5 to 7% return. Allocate 20 to 30% of your portfolio to inflation-linked investment like REITs or TIPS. Adjust withdrawals annually using a variable rate like 4% of your portfolio to balance income and growth. Delay CPP and old age security to 70 for higher inflation-adjusted payment, boosting your paycheck. A client who followed this increased their income by $1,000 monthly over 10 years. Work with a financial planner to model inflation in your retirement plan. Problem number 6, lack of a coordinated plan. Building a retirement paycheck requires coordinating investments, business income tax, and longevity risk. Without a unified strategy, you risk overpaying taxes, running out of money, or missing income opportunities. A client with a $2 million portfolio in assets had no plan, withdrawing $150,000 yearly and pay $50,000 in avoidable taxes. A proper strategy could have stretched their funds for decades. Here's how to tackle it. Assemble a team of experts, financial planner, tax accountant, lawyer, to create a comprehensive plan. Integrates TFSA, RRSP, business dividends, government benefits into a steady paycheck. Use a withdrawal strategy like the 4% rule. Adjust for taxes and inflation. Review your plan annually to adapt to market changes or tax rules. A client who coordinated their plan generated a $6,000 monthly paycheck, taxed at just 20%. Start planning 5 to 10 years before retirement to fine-tune your income strategy. Build a retirement paycheck without a pension is achievable with the right plan. By addressing these 6 challenges, income sources, tax planning, business assets, volatility, inflation, and coordination, you can create a reliable, tax-efficient income stream. If you're thinking about building a retirement paycheck and want to ensure you have enough to retire, click the link below to book a consultation with me. I'll help you create a personalized strategy so you can retire with confidence. What's the biggest worry you have about retirement income without a pension? I'd love to hear your thoughts.